It's okay. I don't have any viewers. Yo, 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 yo. Looking at Bitcoin live. It's going insane. Lots of volume, lots of volume. Hey, good to be with you guys again. Welcome to the show. I am David. And this is me. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm back on the show. Bitcoin made a nice little move, so I decided, hey, why not come back on alive? Why not come back on alive? Let's go. All right, so right now we are looking at the 1 minute Bitcoin price chart. We've had a nice little pump up here, kind of just out of nowhere. It just went bang. Now, we did say during the morning stream, I can call that now because it is officially the afternoon. During the morning stream, I said these were relatively equal highs up here. These were equal lows here. Now, we had already taken out the equal lows during that stream, or right before, one of the two. And then now we're pushing back up to the upside to take out those highs. And I said, basically, watch out for that. So, yeah, so, and it came up, took out the highs, came back down, test on the point of control. And so far, we've been slowly grinding up ever since then. So when we come back down to that VWAP, that's also sitting at that point of control, and we're on the 5 minute now. We are sitting on top, trying to get a candle body close. We've already gotten two bullish candle body closes, 3 bullish candle body closes above the value area high, and this is the 5 EMA, and this is the 800 EMA. So that's actually a pretty bullish cross if this 500 can come back and push above the 800 EMA here. That would be pretty bullish. Last time we did that, where the 50 crossed over the 800 EMA on the 5 minute, we made a quick move to the upside. So I would be looking for something similar, if not a little bit more than that. So that's what I'd be looking for. Now to the downside, we do still have a lot of volume in this candle. So, and we haven't made that cross yet on that. We haven't made that 50 over the 800 cross yet. So like we did back here, see, we did come up and we fought resistance right there, where at the 5 EMA at the 800 saw resistance, and then we saw a pullback, wrong spot, pullback to the 50. So I would be looking for that. That's what I would be looking for. Pull back to the 50 right here. Come down. Bang. Right there at the VWAP. It's coming down right now as we speak. So I'd like to see that come down and then get a nice bounce here right back at that VWAP. Now it still has room to come down here. We do have a fair value gap right here. Do have a fair value gap right here. Now it could just might not even come down to it at all, but it could come down and touch it. That would bring that 500 EMA here. So we could see it could take a little bit longer for this one to play out, but I would be watching that. And if these EMAs kind of just flow into this box along the 800 EMA also, and if they just kind of flow into this box together and then the price pushes above all of these EMAs, then it's going to be a slingshot, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but yes, that is where we are at. Hope you are doing well. I did have one viewer and then they left. Oh no. Let's go to the 15 minute. And let's see. All right. Is this fair value gap different? Yep. So this one's a little wider, but a little more concise. Now, if I go to the 5 minute, I can see that. Let's go to the 1 minute. So we popped up out of that 15 minute fair value gap, came back down and found support on it, and now looks like we're coming back down to it. So we're going to look out for that. We have equal highs up here on the 1 minute chart. Let's go to the 3 minute. All of this up here, and we have a high volume candle up here, so that's volume right there. So that is definitely an area of future price action. Look to see if we can get back up in there. High volume in this candle right here, right around the $36,400 range. We do have support there at that level. Yeah, right there at the point of control. So we're having a lot of volume take place right there at that 36,400 level. And if this can hold here, then we can see these continue to the upside. Our momentum is a little overheated, but not too much, We haven't crossed over the top bound yet. So, but yeah, I'm watching this candle right here. The midpoint of this candle, maybe we come back and test the daily open. Value area high or low is right above that at 36,212. This is per the FEMEX perpetual futures chart. That's BTC USDT.P. FEMEX. Yeah, 36,441 is where we are currently sitting. Let's go ahead and take a look at Euro real quick. Let's see what it's doing. See if it's breaking out against the dollar. All right, so we have a little bit of a cup. Is that a cup and handle? I don't know if I would consider that a cup and handle. But either way, regardless, if this thing breaks this high right here at about, what is this? Oop, it moved on me. Oh, we got high volume coming in. So it might be about to break that. If it breaks that, then the Dixie could see a breakdown here. If the Dixie breaks down here, then we could see Bitcoin start to make another move up. So let's keep our eyes on that. All right, here we go. Dixie, let's go back to the Dixie. All right, breaking down. Let's go back to the Euro. Pushing up. Come on, break it. Let's go ahead and mark this level off so we can make sure we know what we're looking at. So that's the level we want to see broken. Let me see what happens if I make this smaller. Is that, you can still see it? Okay, good. All right, so that's the level we're watching on the Euro. We want that to break. Dixie is getting closer to breaking this. Now, if the Dixie breaks this, then that will probably be what sends the Euro to break. Here it goes. It's coming down. Now, I would be watching, being mindful. I don't know who +1 is. That's weird. I got a phone call from +1. Yeah, so we have the money flow has been drastically on the out. But let's see if we've already got a little bit of a bullish divergence right here. Okay, right there and right here. So, but this one did push up already, and this is only a 5-minute bullish divergence. So at the same time, that could have played out already. It played out, pushed up to that 50 EMA, and then got rejected. These bands, these EMA bands, these EMAs right here, the 5 and the 13 EMAs are kind of separating a little bit. So widening. So when that happens, when they start to widen out, you can start to see a little bit more of a continuation in the trend, which currently is down. So that's what we want to see. We want to see that come down and break. Euro, what are you doing, man? What are you doing? So we got volume coming in here. I guess I don't know if it's buyers or what, but it needs to come up here and break that. Let's go back to Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin did find support off of that point of control. It is starting to push to the upside a little bit. That's good to see. Let's go to our totals real quick. Let's go see our total 2. That is all of the cryptos in the market minus Bitcoin. So this one does include Ethereum. And right now, let's get rid of this. We can see a little better. Yeah, let's get rid of this one too. Kind of got to get rid of this stuff when we're looking at the index. This is like a crypto index, basically. Got a little bit, maybe a bullish divergence in here, especially if we're going off of the candle bodies. Bam, 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 bam. Market's pushing up. Let's see what the total 3 looks like. Total 3, same story. So this is all the altcoins, all of crypto, all the cryptocurrencies minus Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's just back up because this came out on, yeah. So yeah, we've got Wyckoff accumulation in here. Hopefully kind of at our sign of strength move. So if I can't look it up on this. Wyckoff accumulation schematic. Give me 1 second, guys. One second. There it is. Copy, image, paste, image. All right, so got to shrink this up a little bit. There we go. So if you can see that, this is basically, we're basically in this sign of strength, right? Let me see if I can do anything about the opacity, transparency. There we go. All right, so we're basically can y'all see that right there? So yeah, we've got our spring, right? We've got our spring, we got our test, and then we get our sign of strength, and now we just got to hold here, and then next thing we know, we can push to the upside and get into this, all this mess right here, right? And that is my wife calling me. I'll be back in just a second. All right, sorry about that. And I'm back. All right, so that's kind of the schematic right there. Now this one does have a lower low, so that's more of a spring right there. Right. Now there's two of these schematics, so the other one might be more precise. Let's see. Let's see. There's one. Ah, here we go. This is the one right here. This is the one. Let's go ahead and paste. This is the one. That's basically it, right? Uh-oh. Let's just put this up here. All right, so we've got that low, that second low, and then we build here, right? Build, and then we push up, sign of strength, and now we've got to build on top of this level. And that's what we're looking for. And then if we can get that and we can push up, then that means altcoins go flying, okay? Let's go back to Bitcoin. Let's see what we're doing right now. Let's go down to the 5 minute. All right, we might be coming back down. Thought we might. Let's go ahead, get our stuff turned back on. All right. Now, the cool thing about this volume profile tool is that throughout the session, it will adjust the point of control, which is something important to watch. Also, you can, a little trick, I don't know if you know this, but if you don't, you want to come over here, go to values. Let's brighten that up so we can actually see them. And inside here, you can see the bid and ask. Okay, you can see that on your volume profile. And you can see where all the orders were placed, most of the orders were placed. And you can see all of these zeros. These are called single prints. So these are orders that did not get filled. Placed, not filled. Don't ask me. I know what you're thinking. All right, we're getting a little bit of a squeeze on the 5 minute between the 5 EMA and the 13 EMA. A little bit of a squeeze here. We're consolidating between the 800 and the 13 EMA. And right now we're getting a push down. Could be coming down. We get a close below this, then we will likely see this push down. If not, go ahead and push down right now. So let's keep an eye on that. Let's go back to the Dixie. What are we doing? We broke it. We broke it. All right. There it is. The Dixie broke it. New low. New low. Let's go back to the euro. God, hasn't broken it yet. Come on, euro. Push that dollar down. GBP. Uh-oh, someone's home.